Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup documents from Android Files app to OneDrive. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Files app on your Android device. Locate the documents you want to backup. Press and hold on the document to select it. If you need to select multiple documents, tap on each one. Once selected, look for the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Tap on the three-dot menu to open additional options. From the drop-down, select Share. A list of sharing options will appear. Scroll and find the OneDrive icon. Tap on the OneDrive icon to proceed. You may need to log in to your OneDrive account if prompted. Choose the folder in OneDrive where you want to save the documents. If you want to create a new folder, tap the New Folder option. Enter a name for the new folder and tap OK. Once you have selected or created a folder, tap Upload. The upload process will begin, and a progress bar will show the status. Wait until the upload is complete. Once done, you'll receive a confirmation message. Your documents are now backed up to OneDrive. You can access them anytime from your OneDrive app or website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.